Hello, my name is Glenn Pike. I'm the Business Development Manager here at ControlLogic, and today I'd like to talk to you about the DA range from Redline. We have a device that you might be familiar with, the Data Station Plus, which is used out in the industry for protocol conversion, up to 300 different protocols. It has data logging, as well as a built-in web server, and can communicate with multiple different PLCs. Here we have the DA10, DA50, and DA70. All of them have the same functionality as this device. If you had a temperature requirement of 50 degrees and you were operating in an air-conditioned environment, you would use a DA10 or 30. Okay, they have an operating temperature of 50 degrees. If you wanted to move to something more harsh, like out in the field, you would move to the DA50 range, which has a temperature range of up to 75 degrees, as well as the DA70, which also has 75 degrees. So these are more robust out in the field type devices. If you wanted to provide the dam level to the public, you would send this information via MQTT protocol to the cloud, and you would require 2 Ethernet ports on different subnet masks. The first subnet mask would be used for communication to your control network, and the second would be used to communicate with the cloud. The DA50 and DA70 is able to achieve this goal for you. If you have a look in the front here, you'll notice that it has a sled. This sled comes in different varieties. The first variety is a 4G card or sled with built-in GPS, and this is particularly useful if you have a very remote location and you would like to bring it back to a central point. This card is for you. However, if you have a different requirement where you want to provide Wi-Fi to the local surrounds, you can do so by replacing this sled with a Wi-Fi module. If you require additional RS-232 ports, you can replace this module with RS-232. There's additional sleds that you can also purchase, like Ethernet. When you look at the DA70, this is Redline's RTU. It has the ability to communicate to everything that has previously been mentioned, but also real I/O, analog in, analog out, digital in, digital out, as well as PID can be added, and you would have a full-blown PLC. This PLC supports all the standard programming languages, so anybody that's familiar with a PLC would be able to program this device. You'll notice that it has 3 different sleds here. So in the event that you wanted a 4G communication, as well as Wi-Fi, as well as additional Ethernet ports, you could do so. The additional Ethernet ports is quite integral to this device because it has the ability to operate as a layer 2 switch. There's a number of different functionality that's available for this device, but think of it as an all-in-one package out in the field. If you would like to discuss any of these items in more detail, I would welcome the opportunity to do so. I'm Glenn Pike from ControlLogic, and thank you for your time.